Ladies and gents, Mike Sakaris here from Centrotherm. We introduced the sticker not too long ago. It's in our catalog. We finally have them in. We want to do something a little fun. First person, first installing contractor to put a exhaust and or intake sticker on their installation and send it to us gets an extra special care package. We do our show us your pipe segment and people win swag packs. We're going to do something extra special if you put this bad boy on your installation and share it on social media. Tag Centrotherm, tag me, tag Matthew. We'll make sure we send you out a care package. If you need some of these, message us and we will get them out to you. Again, you can order them and get them from your distributor. First one to use it, get something special.